In this lesson, we will discuss reservoirs, reservoir ECAM display, fire shutoff valves, fire valve ECAM display, accumulators, leak measurement valves, load alleviation function LAF accumulators, and priority valves. Each hydraulic system is supplied by its own hydraulic reservoir, which is pressurized by pneumatic air pressure to prevent hydraulic pump cavitation. Hydraulic fluid cannot be interchanged between the systems. The ECAM reservoir quantity indication is normally green. It becomes amber when the fluid level falls below the warning level. In case of an engine fire, the green and yellow systems each have a fire shutoff valve to cut off hydraulic fluid to their respective engine-driven pump. The fire shutoff valves can be closed by pushing the engine 1 or 2 fire push-button switch on the overhead fire panel. If the engine 1 or 2 fire shutoff valve is closed, the PTU will operate to provide sufficient hydraulic pressure. The ECAM fire shutoff valve indication is displayed cross-line amber if the valve is fully closed. It is displayed inline green if the valve is not fully closed. Each hydraulic system has a leak measurement valve, which measures the leakage in the circuit. The leak measurement valve's push-button switches, located on the overhead panel, are for maintenance use only. There is one accumulator in each hydraulic system, which assists in maintaining a constant pressure during normal operation. There are no associated cockpit indications. The green and yellow systems each have load alleviation function accumulators, or LAFs, which maintain the required system pressure during rapid aileron and spoiler operation caused by turbulence. Complete coverage of the load alleviation function is contained in the flight control module. Each hydraulic system has a priority valve. If system pressure is low, the priority valve will cut off hydraulic pressure to high-load users, such as nose wheel steering, the slats and flaps, and the landing gear, to maintain the operation of the essential flight controls.